This is Chandler,
This is Macy.
and this is our compost ingredients for gardening.
Okay. All right. So,
How to build your own compost. Carbon materials, aged hay, oat hay, cardboard, dry shredded leaves, sawdust, chipwood, newspaper, cardboard, cartons, wrapping paper, paper towel, straw, toilet paper rolls, wood, ash, not coal, dried grass, shredded paper, 100% cotton fabric, small pieces. Okay, this is the nitrogen materials. Vegetable trimmings, algae, green leaves, grass clippings, kelp or seaweed, green shrub or pruning, tea bags, alfalfa, meal, hay, coffee grounds, filter, animal manure, herbivores only, houseplants, weeds. Can't have anything with that. Old flowers, bouquets, old flower bouquets, human, animal, or animal hair, and aquarium water. Fresh water only.
okay. This is why you need those ingredients.
For stuff.
Okay, read that.
Carbon organic material, browns. Nitrogen organic material, greens. Water, oxygen. Just gonna show everybody the pictures. Look at them.
Basically, yes.
Ba, 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 ba,
And to the video.
What? The video?
Yeah. Here we go.
So if we talk.
It's recording.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, so today we're
You
making
want to
some
leave it?
compost. We have some chicken manure.
Yeah, it's recording. Paper and all.
Yeah, we're using the paper. We've got some hay in there. Okay, now we're using some coffee grounds and tea bags. Now we're using some eggshells. And now some green stuff.
You can use anything just about except for table food. Okay? Now water. Oh, I know. Let's mix it up.
Yeah, mix it up, Macy.
Get the shovel and stack it up. And not even mix it up.
It helps when there's chicken noises.
Okay? That's an example of what we could do to chop it up and mix it up. They say when it's all chopped up better, it composts, it disintegrates. Okay, that's good for now. Now, we need to add a little bit of water. I would use one of them buckets, but you would normally dip it in there. And then when you add your compost, you can add, what is that? Water. It's rainwater too. Okay. Kind of better. Organic. Okay. Now, what do we do now? We're going to cover it up with a
Tarp.
tarp that he just hit me in the face with. Now, put all of those containers on top of it to hold it down. We have a lot of wind today. I don't know if it'll hold it, but we're going to stick it on there. Okay. All right. Thank you for
Just throw the
watching
shovel
and subscribe to our channel.